Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how we can compare two identically looking different bodies. You may come across a situation where you have to compare two different bodies like revision A or revision B. What are the changes that has happened in between them? So for that you have to go in the analysis tab. Here you will find the command called compare body. So just click on that, select the first body. So this is the first body, and for the second body, select here. So this is the second, and just click on the compare option. After some processing, you will see what are the changes have been done in this body. If you want a report, so just click on this report. So it will show all of the parameters that has been changed here. So that is it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.